Okay, this is my video on how to get your iPhone headphones with a lightning connector on them into this old case that no longer comes with the uh, headphones. And here's the trick. Take a pair of scissors and you cut out a little notch. You could probably do a better job than that, but that's how I did it. And you can put the case on here like this, and then it snaps on completely. At least you can still use your old case and protect them pretty well. Otherwise, if you don't cut the notch, when you put the lid on, it'll try to cut the wire, and you could probably pinch and cut it.